Yes. So I said we are going to have a look at how we can find the area of rhombuses and then kite. So with the rhombus, we know it is one of the polygon that we do have, and it is the one with four sides, and the four sides of the rhombus are equal. Then the kite, it is also the polygon with four sides, and we can draw our kite, and it can be divided into two isosceles triangle. That is the kite. So we shall have a look at how we can find their areas. So here, under our footnote, which is the statement to help us on how we can get the area of the kite and the rhombus, it is given by this method under our footnote. So we are saying under our note, area of a rhombus and a kite is given by half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. This is the method that will help us to calculate the area of rhombus and then kite. With rhombus, we all know, because we either looked at how we can construct rhombuses, and it is a figure with four sides with two diagonals. We can draw our rhombus like this one, and we have this longer diagonal. Which is given by diagonal 1. The longer diagonal there is diagonal 1. Then the shorter diagonal is diagonal 2. So here is a rhombus, and we are saying this side is parallel to this one as well. This one also parallel to this one. And the diagonals of a rhombus, they meet at right angle. So they form right angle at the center. When you are to look at this, you find that they are meeting at right angle. So this one here is diagonal 1, and then this one is diagonal 2. So when they give you the diagonals, you just substitute using this method. And a kite, we said we can draw our kite in this form. Yes. So this one here is what we call the kite. So we said we can draw a kite, and we divide the kite into two isosceles triangle, because you know isosceles triangle is a type of triangle with two sides equal. So when you separate this part like this, you find that you are having two isosceles triangle. So this is what we call the rhombus and then the kite. So let's now check on how we can calculate the area of rhombus and then this kite under our first example. Example 1. Find the area of the rhombus below. Find the area of the rhombus below. This is the rhombus being given. So this is 8 centimeters and then this is 6 centimeters. So here is our rhombus being given. They are asking us to calculate the area of this rhombus drawn on the chalkboard. So by just looking at the method that I've given you, I say you calculate the area of rhombus by using this method half times base, half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2, where the longer diagonal, it is the diagonal 1, and then the shorter diagonal of the 2 is diagonal 2. So you identify the first diagonal, which is diagonal 1, and then you also as well identify the second diagonal, which is diagonal 2, then you substitute using this method. So under your solution, when calculating this, you say given area equals to half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. You have already identified your what? Your diagonal 1 and then diagonal 2. So you say but D1 equals to the longer diagonal, which is given by 8 centimeters. So you write your diagonal 1 as being 8 centimeters. Then as well, you tell the examiner or the teacher that your diagonal 2 is 6 centimeters. Are we together? Yes. Now we are going to substitute because we have already identified. So here you substitute and you say, therefore this implies that our area equals to half times D1, which is 8 centimeters, times D2, which is 6 centimeters. You have substituted. Now, do not yet cancel or divide. You have to rewrite because other learners, other pupils, other candidates, they fail in division or cancelling. So when you fail in division without rewriting this, they don't even give you the method. That's the bonus marks. So in case of any other problem, you rewrite again. Just that when you fail in cancelling, at least they give you a method as a bonus what? Marks. So here you rewrite and you say our area is half times 8 centimeter times 6 centimeter. Here you have the right now to cancel. So you are going to cancel by 2. Here you have 1. And here by 2 you have 4. Now you have remained with it 1 times 4 times 6 centimeters. And your answer will be 24 centimeter square. You should not forget to write your answer in square unit. So when you just write centimeter, my dear learner, you will fail. Have we got it? Yes, that is just simply how we calculate the area of rhombus. I hope we are through with this. Now we are going to have a look at how we can also get the area of what? kite. So with kite, I said it can be divided into two. Isosceles triangle as drawn like this. So under our example 2, we shall now say we find the area of a kite below. Here is our kite being drawn. They have drawn for us the kite. Drawn, and we have our diagonal. Be given. These are the diagonal. So with kite also, the longer diagonal is diagonal 1. Then the shorter one also, that is running horizontally, it is diagonal 2. The diagonal which is running vertically, it is diagonal what? 1. So here they are saying we find this. The diagonal 1 is given by 15 centimeters, and diagonal 2 is given by 8 centimeters. So here is our kite being given. So since we use the same method of calculating the area of rhombus and kite, we shall also use this method as half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So here under your solution you say solution given area equals to half times diagonal 2, diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Tell the teacher or the examiner that you know diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. But diagonal 1 as being D1 is equals to the longer diagonal which is given by 15 centimeter. So you write 15 centimeter. And also you have discovered here diagonal 2 as being the shorter diagonal which is given by 8 centimeters. Now go back to the method that the teacher taught you with, that the teacher narrated to you. You now substitute. You say, therefore, this implies that our area equals to half times 15 centimeters times 8 centimeters. You have substituted. I said, when you have substituted, don't rush to cancel or divide. You rewrite again. Check that when you fail maybe in division, at least they give you a bonus mark on the method. So here you rewrite and you say area equals to half times 15 centimeters times 8 centimeters. Here you have now the right. Nobody can now stop you from cancelling or dividing, because even if you fail here in division, at least they say yes, method 1. You see that? Yes. So here we are going to divide. And we are going to divide the 2 and then the 8. So by 2 here we shall get 1. By 2 here we get 4. And now we remain with the 15 centimeter times 4 centimeters. Finally our answer becomes 60 centimeter square. Because we know with area the unit is given in square. Are we through with it?
Yes.
Have we got it?
Yes.
Have we understood?
Yes.
That's wonderful now. So that is how we go about when calculating the area of rhombus and a kite. Are we ready now for exercise?
Yes.
Should I?